let's take a break from holes for a second and move on to something more special. Welcome to Record 3 of NOVAQuest, exploring the deepest mysteries of astronomy. Today's question is, can people inhabit an asteroid? Well, first of all, what is an asteroid? Let's define it. An asteroid is a rock body orbiting the sun, typically lopsided, usually small, and with tons of craters. They're usually made of carbon, nickel, and iron in terms of elements, but there are three kinds of asteroids. There's C types of asteroids, which is mainly made up of clay and silicate rocks, silicate meaning silicon and oxygen. S types of asteroids, silicate materials and nickel iron. And M types of asteroids, nickel iron and metals that are cooled and concentrated from different molten temperatures from the sun. Why asteroids though? What's the difference between Earth and an asteroid? Why would we like to inhabit an asteroid? Oh well, number one, riches. We've got so many metals to go around. Also new discoveries in minerals and other materials that we could use. But also in the asteroid belt, which is a ring of asteroids further than Earth from the sun, people could inhabit and claim their own asteroid to live on, since there are so many to go around. But obviously the best reason, cool moving rock. Compared to Earth, an asteroid doesn't have a core, but Earth also has more elements. Asteroids also have different orbits around the sun. They're either further or closer to the sun. And of course, there are scenarios where asteroids also collide into Earth due to inconsistency. They're also smaller than Earth with no atmosphere. So, nope. Yeah, at this point, it's pretty impossible for people to inhabit an asteroid. Most obvious factor being there's no water or oxygen. Collisions with other asteroids and materials in space would cause asteroids to break their gravitational pull around the sun. Also, we're considering the fact that some asteroids are pulled by Jupiter's gravity instead of the sun's gravity, which would cause even more inconsistencies. Also, the average asteroid speed is 50,000 miles per hour. At that point, we're dead. And even if we inhabited parts of the asteroid belt, the entire belt's mass is less than the moon. The gravity wouldn't be nearly as strong to keep us on the asteroid, but also our overpopulated Earth's population wouldn't suffice on the asteroids, since there would not be enough surface area to go around, likely. Smaller asteroid sizes can be like the size of boulders. Yikes. But what now? Keep inhabiting Earth, I guess. But in the meantime, I actually discovered something interesting. Not necessarily related to living on asteroids, but more about our biology or other astrobiology relating to asteroids, called panspermia. Behold, the theory that life exists throughout the universe, but is scattered throughout space. How this relates to Earth is through a hypothesis that exists where all biology here originated from outer space microbacterium. Most famously, Svante Arrhenius, physicist and chemist, hypothesized with a chemical equation that the sun's rays create radiation pressure, which allows life to flow from one to another. And this life would have stuck onto asteroids, and with their collisions to Earth, it allowed for more of that life flowing to take place. Panspermia is only a hypothesis, however. It's not proven that life on Earth truly came from outer space, but it's something cool to think about and imagine. The idea of inhabiting asteroids would be so fun, living on your own personal rock, flying and orbiting the sun and discovering new planets. It's a shame it can't happen. Despite that, it is a cool concept, and it honestly would make a great trope in storytelling. I hope I'll find people in the future who use this to create a storyline. But for now, Earth it is.